B-roll is the story within the story. Therefore, you need to pay close attention to it, especially if your B-roll has only one subject. Although I am using KineMaster to edit this video, the same principle applies to any editing software. Let me show you how easy it is to edit your B-roll utilizing KineMaster. Without any further ado, let's go on. Open KineMaster. Tap on the plus button and select the aspect ratio for your project. If your video is for YouTube, you are going to select 16:9. Select the clip that you are going to use to start your project and mark the beginning and the end of your clip. To do this, tap on the scissors button and move your clip left or right to find the desired point in your timeline. Then, make the necessary cuts. To make your starting sequence more interesting, you can also slow it down to give it a more epic look. You can also zoom in to eliminate any unwanted part of your video. To slow down your footage, simply tap on the speed button and bring the speed down to half of the original pace. To eliminate the unwanted part of your video, simply tap on the pan and zoom button and using 2 fingers, cut out of your video any parts that you don't want in it. Now that you have your starting sequence set up, it's time to highlight your subject to bring more details to your audience's attention. But before you do that, you need to export your project out of KineMaster and bring it back in. I will explain later why you need to do this. To highlight your subject, select any part of your clip you would like to enhance. Utilizing the scissors button, cut your clip. Make a duplicate of that clip by clicking on the 3 dots on the upper left corner. Then make it proportional to your screen utilizing the cropping button. Make 2 extra duplicates of that clip. Now tap on Layer and add a black background to really enhance your subject. If you didn't export your clip out of KineMaster before making duplicates, you will not be able to slow it down. KineMaster does not allow you to slow down any duplicates. You can only slow down your main clip. You can repeat these steps for any part of your B-roll you want to highlight. This is particularly useful when you want to capture facial expression or body language. Now it's time for you to share your project with the rest of the world. Just tap on the export button and choose your resolution and frame rate. If you don't have KineMaster, you can download it for free on the Apple App Store or Google Play. The links are on the description box below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, activate that notification bell, and I will see you next time underwater.